Hey all, welcome to ShareTreck. This is Raj here. So if you still have energy and if you're still able to watch this video, this message is for you. Please do not despair. Ups and downs are common in the market. Today the Genomics watch list is looking absolutely dark red, but I'm pretty sure that tomorrow it will turn around. It's all just horizontal movement. It's all consolidation happening in my opinion. September rate cut is already decided. So we'll start seeing things pick up in September. That's my opinion. So with that said, let's get started with our Genomic watch list and look at what they are doing today and where they are going. Let me take you to the TradingView platform. Well, here we are in the TradingView platform and we are looking at QQQ. Please be assured everyone is suffering and suffering equally. QQQ is down 2.74%, which means other sectors are also suffering. Then we have IWM, which was gallivanting around. It's down to 3.45%. It's gone down. So that's again another small cap sector suffering. And then S&P is down 1.76%. So the pain is spread all around. And that's what I would like to convey to you. So don't despair too much. You are in good company. A lot of people are miserable. Now let's go on to our Genomics charts and look at what's happening here. I've sorted everything according to the worst performing stock. mRNA dropped 20.75% today. And they had their earnings where they outperformed both their earnings as well as revenue estimate in a grand fashion. But that didn't help them. They have dropped. Then we have Bluebird Bio, which was down 7.76%. I took the opportunity to buy 1,000 more. We have earnings coming up shortly. I hope this is the right earnings date, 6th of August 2024, but I wouldn't be surprised if it gets pushed further. This is the big problem with most of these genomic companies. They do not give the exact date when they would publish their quarterly results, and especially with Bluebird, after the misstatement in their accounts, they have had a lot of delays. So I hope that they get their act together this time around. The MACD is looking bearish and the momentum is also below average and falling. So things are not looking great for Blue. Prime is down 7.31% and it has fallen below the line of support I had drawn yesterday. So the next support I think is going to be at 4.5 and I don't think anything is going to stop that because MACD is bearish and momentum is also dropping and it's below average. Bionano down 7.13%, PSEP down 5.81%, and the chart is still looking a bit viable because MACD is still bullish, trying to cross over to the bear side, and momentum is above average though dropping sharply. But we have earnings coming on the 7th of August. Hopefully there's a catalyst out there. The sales number might probably motivate the market because we had been moving sideways and consolidating for a while now after a reasonable amount of pickup. Now let's look at Allogene, which is down 6.12%, and it's traveling on a very sharp bear channel that I have drawn here, this diagonal red line, and momentum is dropped below average, and also MACD has become bearish, and we have our earnings on the 7th of August. So hopefully we get some catalyst out there because the chart is looking very weak right now. Editas is down 5.45%. Earnings due on the 7th of August. That's the only thing I can think of which will rescue this particular stock. And I'm going to drag this line of support further into here and say that we are going to have support at $5 for Editas tomorrow. MACD is already bearish and the momentum has dropped below average. Not looking great at this point of time. Caribou is down 4.96%. It has broken through the line of support that I had drawn before, so it's getting a bit hopeless because MACD is also on top of the signal line ready to become bearish, and momentum is just poised at the average and still dropping down. And we have earnings hopefully on the 6th of August. So those are the catalysts that I would look forward to. Verve is down 4.57%. Again, it was supposed to break on the top of this bullish pennant, but unfortunately it has not. So it started going down on a bear channel. Momentum is also getting weaker. It's at average, but dropping very fast. MACD is already bearish, so I think things are looking bad for Verve. Chart has become weak. DNA is down 2.71%, Beam is down 4.14%. It has broken down a support of 30.74 and converted that into a resistance. Our next support is going to be 29.41, and right now we are below the 9-day exponential moving average, so that is the first point of weakness we are seeing here. Momentum is still above average but dropping very sharply. MACD is moving very quickly towards the signal line to cross over to the bearish side. I hope the earnings which are due on the 6th of August will provide some catalyst. CRISPR is down 4.15%. I have this new line of support which I think CRISPR should follow, and if it did, then we should be safe. But today the horizontal line of support at 54.47 is providing some support, and I'm thinking that if CRISPR comes anywhere near 54.94, I think I should jump in and put my money into it, because I don't see further falls. I don't know when the earnings is going to be. This platform is saying it's on the 1st of August. I don't believe it. If any of you know the dates, if you know any of the dates of earnings for any of our genomic companies, just put in the comment section below. It could be helpful. Altimmune is down 4.01%. I have money riding on this stock. I have a lot of hopes, but the chart is looking very, very weak and bearish. We have earnings on the 8th of August. I hope they talk positive about pemvidutide and maybe disclose some BLAs out there that can perk up the market. Intelia is down 3.78%, still traveling in the bear channel, bull channel, and I think it's got support from the 50-day exponential moving average today. Momentum is dropping below average, and MACD has already become bearish. We are supposed to have earnings today, maybe after the business hours, so I'm looking forward to some catalyst out there. ARCG is down 3.14%, and IMTX is down 1.5%. Illumina is up 0.03%. Friends, as I mentioned, Illumina is on a riding a way up. I don't have the money to put in here because I'm saving it for CRISPR Therapeutics. So hopefully some of you may be able to buy and take advantage of this. Again, personal opinion, not financial advice. So please take it with a pinch of salt. And we have Grail, which was up 8.19%. And at this point of time, I can definitely see a bull channel emerging for Grail. It's looking good and it's worth putting money into it, in my opinion. Not financial advice, but that's what I'm thinking. But what would deter me is the fact that I can also see a bear channel out here where there are higher, the lower highs. So let us see what happens out here. It will take time, but we have to be patient for that. With that, my friends, I would like to bring this video to an end. It's not easy to stay invested in brand new fields like genomics. There's going to be a lot of ups and downs, but if you're here because you love genomics and you want to make money through genomics, and you really admire the romantic idea of catching a share which is very weak at a very low price, holding it for a long period of time, and then becoming a millionaire or something, right? This is the ideal circumstance to kindle those kind of hopes. So I hope that you have the right decision, and I hope you have had all the right considerations before putting money in genomics. And if you are one of those investors like me who has to answer to a spouse, I wish you the very best when you show them the portfolio, or if they happen to come across the portfolio and they are very angry with you. So take care, all the best. Please put your opinions in the comment section below. Catch up with you again in the next video. Bye.